Welcome to class 2 computers. Children, this is our computer book IT Planet My Bits and Bytes computer series 2. Children, in our previous video we were doing chapter 3, that is man versus computer. So children, let us revise the chapter and then proceed to book exercises. So children, as we have studied that computers are made by man. Man has made the computer. That is why if somebody says computer is better than man, we have to think a bit. Is computer better than man? Children, a man has made computer. Then how can a computer be better than man? Computer may be smarter than man. Computer may do work faster than man. Computer can remember lot of things which a man cannot do, but still children, computer is operated by man or it works only when a human gives it instruction. अगर हम उसे instruction ना दे तो computer is nothing and it won't be able to perform even a single work. So children, computer may be smarter than man, but it is not better than man. In few fields, it may be better, but overall computer is not at all better than man. Anyway children, human beings are superior than computers as they have made computers for their own purpose, and the purpose for which man had made the computer is very well accomplished. Means a computer is able to do all the works for which it was made. As we know, computer was made for doing the work easier or making the work easier, doing the work faster in order to save our time and to do any work accurately or perfectly. तो बच्चों, जैसा कि हमने पहले भी पढ़ा था और अभी भी मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि कंप्यूटर मैन ने बनाया है, दैट इज़ वाई वी कॉल इट एज मैन मेड मशीन. एंड चिल्ड्रन, it does lot of things and it does it very perfectly or accurately, but still it is a machine and it can't be better than man, because कितना भी हो तो उसे मैन ही चलाता है और जब तक मैन स्विच ऑन नहीं करेगा कंप्यूटर वोंट बी एबल टू डू एनी वर्क or perform any function. That is why children, we can say that even though it does lot of things and it saves our time, it is very fast, it can remember lot of things, but it is not better than man. So children, let us have look at some of the points where computers are better and some of the points where man is better than computer. So in this chapter we have studied all about the functioning of computer, like computer can, for example, computer can remember many things and never forget them. Human beings can remember many things but may forget as the time passes. कंप्यूटर बहुत सारी चीज़ों को याद कर सकता है और कभी भी भूलता नहीं है, लेकिन मैन भी याद करता है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतता है वो उन चीज़ों को भूल सकता है, या फिर जैसे जैसे दूसरी बातों को वो याद करता है वो पीछे वाली बातों को भूल सकता है. कंप्यूटर डज नॉट मेक एनी मिस्टेक. कंप्यूटर कोई मिस्टेक नहीं करता, बट ह्यूमन बीइंग कैन, मे और मे नॉट मेक मिस्टेक. वो कर भी सकता है, नहीं भी कर सकता है. बोथ द पॉसिबिलिटीज आर देयर. कंप्यूटर वर्क वेरी फास्ट. Man is slower than computer. As compared to computer, man is slow. Computer doesn't get tired. As we know children, computer can work continuously for hours, but man cannot. Man थोड़ी देर काम करने के बाद थक सकता है, थक जाता है, लेकिन computers can work together for hours. Then children, cannot take its own decision. Computer is a non-living thing. It is a machine, and as we know, a machine cannot take its own decision. And in this field, children, man is better than computer. As man is a living thing, it can take its own decision and it can decide what to do and what not to do. अगर हमारे सामने गड्ढा आता है तो we are capable of deciding whether we should move forward or not, whether we should step forward or not. But computers can't do this, and this is where we are better than computers. Then doesn't feel or does not have feeling. Children, this is another important point. Computers doesn't feel good or bad, doesn't feel happiness or sadness. उसे उसके आसपास क्या हो रहा है उसे कुछ नहीं समझ में आता. But we as a living thing, we feel, we realize, we feel happiness, we feel sorrowness, and as well as we feel our surrounding. This is another important point for a human being. Needs electricity to work. As we know, children, computer is a machine. It requires some energy to work, that is electricity. The electricity provides energy to computers to work, whereas human beings doesn't need electricity. It gets energy from the food it eats. So children, the most important thing, we are living things. We can think and we can feel our surrounding. These are few points which makes us superior than computers, which makes us better than computers. हमें कब क्या करना है ये सोच सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं, इसलिए हम कंप्यूटर से बेटर है. कितना भी कंप्यूटर हमसे अच्छा काम करता है, हमसे फास्ट काम करता है, हमसे एक्यूरेट काम करता है, बट स्टिल वी आर बेटर देन कंप्यूटर्स. So children, this is all with chapter 3. I hope you all have understood the chapter. It's a small one. So let us proceed to the book exercise. Before book exercise, children, we have self-evaluation. Let us evaluate ourselves how much we have understood from the chapter. So children, our next topic is self-evaluation. As you can see on your screen, there is a topic shown, self-evaluation. In this topic, children, we are going to revise those topics which we have understood from the chapter. Children, read the chapter. After reading the chapter, I know these points. So let us see what are the points which we know after reading the chapter. So here are some points which we are going to read and find out whether it is true or not, whether we agree with these points or not. अब हम इन पॉइंट्स को पढ़ेंगे और ये बताएंगे कि हमने ये पार्ट से समझा है या नहीं, चैप्टर में समझा है या नहीं. इफ़ वी एग्री विद द स्टेटमेंट, वी विल पुट टिक below agree, and if you disagree, we will put a tick below disagree. So children, our first statement is, I know that a computer cannot work without electricity. So children, as we know, computer is a machine and we call it as electronic machine. Electronic means something which runs on electricity. So children, for working, for doing something, we need energy, and this energy computer gets from the electricity, and that is why we call it as electronic machine. So I know that a computer cannot work without electricity is true. I have understood this statement from the chapter and I agree with the statement. So I will put tick below agree. So here children, we have agree statement and we will put tick below agree. Now our next point is, I know that a computer cannot think and take decision on its own. So children, as we know, computer is a non-living thing. It is something which can't take its own decision. वो अपने बारे में खुद का decision नहीं ले सकता, और that is why we can say this statement is right, as we have studied this statement and understood this statement from the chapter. So I know that a computer cannot think and take on its own decision. As a computer is non-living thing, it cannot think, it cannot feel, or it cannot take its own decision. So this statement is also true. We will put a tick below agree. We agree with this statement as we have studied and understood this statement from the chapter. तो हमने अपने चैप्टर में पढ़ा कि कंप्यूटर एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन है, वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलती है, तो अगर उसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं मिलेगी तो it won't be able to work. This statement we have understood from the chapter. Then second statement is, I know that computer cannot think. कंप्यूटर सोच नहीं सकती, ना ही अपने डिसीजंस ले सकती है. एज वी नो इट इज़ अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कैनॉट थिंक और फील और कैनॉट take its own decision. So this statement is also true. We have understood from the chapter. So I agree with this statement and have put tick below this statement. Now next one is, I know that computer can do the same task again and again without getting tired. So children, as we know कि this is one of the better quality of computer than human being, that कि human being gets tired easily. It cannot do same work again and again, or it cannot work for long hours or for continuously for hours, but computers can do the same task again and again without getting tired. So this statement is also true. We have studied and understood this statement from the chapter. So I agree with this statement that कि computer काफ़ी देर तक काम कर सकता है बिना थके और बिना tired हुए. So this statement is true. You will put tick in front of this statement also. So this statement is, I agree with this statement. I know that computers can do the same task again and again. I agree with this statement. This statement is true. So you will put tick below agree. The next statement is, I know that computer never makes mistake by itself. Children, as I told you कि when you work on computer, unless or until you give wrong information, computer will never make mistake. जब तक कि हम गलती से उसको गलत information नहीं देते, हम कोई गड़बड़ नहीं करेंगे, तब तक वो कोई mistake नहीं करता है. So if it makes a mistake, that mistake is because of our wrong instructions only. Otherwise computer never makes mistake. So this statement also we have understood from the chapter and we agree with this statement. So you will put a tick in front of this statement. So children, these are the points which we have studied and understood from the chapter. So let us revise these points once again and proceed to the book exercise. So children, first statement is, I know that a computer cannot work without electricity. I know that a computer cannot work without electricity. Then second point is, I know that a computer cannot think and take decision of its own. मुझे ये भी समझ में आया कि कंप्यूटर cannot think and take decision of its own. वो खुद से ना कुछ सोच सकता है, ना अपना खुद का डिसीजन ले सकता है. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, it totally depends upon human being. Whatever we feed in the computer, whatever instructions we give to the computer, it works accordingly. It doesn't take its own decision. So this statement is also true. You will put a tick in front of this statement. The next one is, children, I know that computer can do the same task again and again without getting tired. So children, this is another quality of computer, that it can work for hours or it can do the same thing again and again without getting tired. So children, this is another thing about the computer which makes it better. Then I know that computer never makes mistake. So this is also true, children. As we know, until or unless we give or provide wrong information to the computer or give wrong instructions to the computer, it will not make any mistake. So children, as we have understood from the chapter that computer never make mistakes, or until or unless we provide wrong information or we give some wrong instructions, it will never make a mistake. So this is also true. So these are the points which we have studied and understood from the chapter. So children, I hope you have understood. आपको समझ में आया. चलिए, let's do the book exercises. Now, tick the statement that are applicable for computers or human beings or both. Children, Tick the statements which are applicable for the computers or human beings or both. Children, as you can see here we have a question and we have two boxes. एक बॉक्स के ऊपर लिखा है कंप्यूटर और दूसरे के ऊपर ह्यूमन बींग. सो वी आर गोइंग टू रीड द स्टेटमेंट्स वन बाय वन एंड इफ द स्टेटमेंट स्टैंड्स विथ कंप्यूटर गोज़ फॉर कंप्यूटर, या फिर कंप्यूटर के लिए सही है तो हम कंप्यूटर के नीचे टिक करेंगे, अगर ह्यूमन बींग के लिए सही है तो हम ह्यूमन बींग के नीचे टिक करेंगे. तो चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज आई कैन वर्क टायरलेसली. आई कैन वर्क टायरलेसली. हु इज़ द टेलिंग? कौन घंटों या बहुत देर तक बिना थके काम कर सकता है? इज़ इट ह्यूमन? नो, इट इज़ अ कंप्यूटर. सो दिस गोज़ विथ कंप्यूटर. ये किसके लिए सही है? कंप्यूटर के लिए सही है कि आई कैन वर्क टायरलेसली, बिना थके. टायरलेसली मीन्स विदाउट गेटिंग टायर्ड. सो दिस इज़ रॉन्ग फॉर ह्यूमन बींग. इट गोज़ विथ computer. So you will put a tick below computer. You will put a tick below computer. Now second one is, children, I can take decisions on my own. So children, can you tell me who can take decisions on its own? आप बता सकते हो अपना डिसीजन कौन ले सकता है, ह्यूमन बींग और कंप्यूटर? क्या कंप्यूटर डिसीजन ले सकता है कि मुझे क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है? Yes, of course, you are absolutely correct. That is human beings. Man can take its own decisions, not a computer. कंप्यूटर तो एक मशीन है, हम उसे जो कहते हैं वो करता है, जैसा हम उसको बताएंगे वैसा करता है, वो खुद का डिसीज़न नहीं ले सकता. तो एक कंप्यूटर ही है जो अपना डिसीज़न नहीं ले सकता, ह्यूमन बीइंग है जो कि खुद का डिसीज़न ले सकता है. देन थर्ड वन इज, चिल्ड्रन, आई नीड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू वर्क. चिल्ड्रन, डू यू नीड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू वर्क? No, we don't need electricity work. Then who needs electricity to work? It is machine. And here we are talking about which machine? We are talking about computer as a machine. So computers are a machine. Computer is a machine which needs electricity to work. So you will put tick below computer. Now, I never forget anything. I never forget anything. मैं कभी भी कोई चीज़ भूलता नहीं. मैं कभी भी कोई चीज़ भूलता नहीं. हु इज़ दैट? आप कुछ भूलते हो या नहीं भूलते हो? ऑफकोर्स यू फॉरगेट. आप भूल जाते हो. आज कुछ मम्मी ने कहा कल भूल जाते हो. तो ऑफकोर्स चिल्ड्रन, इट इज़ कंप्यूटर विच डू नॉट फॉरगेट एनीथिंग, जो कि कभी कुछ भूलता नहीं है. तो यू विल पुट अ टिक बिलो कंप्यूटर. सो लेट अस रिवाइज. चिल्ड्रन, हियर वी हैव टू बॉक्सेस गिवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ ईच स्टेटमेंट. हमें यहाँ पे कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स दिए गए हैं और हर स्टेटमेंट के सामने हमें कुछ बॉक्सेस दिए गए हैं. दो बॉक्सेस दिए गए. एक बॉक्स के ऊपर लिखा है कंप्यूटर और दूसरे बॉक्स के ऊपर लिखा है ह्यूमन बीइंग. सो चिल्ड्रन, आई कैन वर्क टायरलेसली. यहाँ पे आई कौन है? हु इज़ आई? हु कैन वर्क टायरलेसली? येस, ऑफकोर्स, दैट इज कंप्यूटर. कंप्यूटर कैन वर्क टायरलेसली. सो यू विल पुट इन फ्रंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर. I can take decisions on my own. Who is that? Who can take decisions of my own? Their own? That is human being. I need electricity to work. Who is that? Who needs electricity to work? That is computer. I never forget anything. Who is that who never forgets? That is computer. So children, very easy. I know you all have understood and you all must be able to answer ki who can do all these things and who cannot. So with this, children, we have completed our first question. Coming to the next one. So children, our next question is question number B. Question number B is, children, write T for true and F for false statement. Children, write T for true and F for false statement. As we know, children, here there are some statements given. We are going to read these statements and tell whether it is. So children, our first statement is, a computer does not make any mistake. Children, we have studied this statement many times, that a computer does not make any mistake. Is it true or false? A computer does not make any mistake. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? A computer does not make any mistake. So of course, children, this statement is true. A computer does not make any mistake is true. A man gets tired after doing some work. Second statement is a man gets tired after doing some work. Is it true children? Yes, कोई भी इंसान कुछ देर काम करने के बाद थक जाता है, तो a man gets tired after doing some work. This is also true. So you will write here true. Third one children, a computer has feelings. Does a computer have feeling? अगर आप अपने कंप्यूटर को मारते हो तो आपको वो रोता है या उसको चोट लगती है? No. So computer has feeling is a false statement. You will write here F. Now fourth one is children, a man cannot take decision on his own. A man cannot take decisions on his own. क्या मैन अपने खुद के डिसीजंस ले सकता है? Yes, आपको अगर कहीं जाना है तो आप अपना डिसीज़न ले सकते हो. ये बात अलग है कि यू टेक परमिशन फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स as you are living with your parents and you are very young or you are very small to take a decision, you ask your parents for each and everything. लेकिन आपके पेरेंट्स जो हैं, या बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें जहाँ पे आप खुद डिसाइड कर सकते हो, मुझे वॉशरूम जाना है कि नहीं, मुझे पढ़ना है कि नहीं, मुझे टीवी देखना है कि नहीं, ये सारे डिसीजंस आप ले सकते हो एंड यू आर कैपेबल ऑफ टेकिंग डिसीजन. तो डू यू थिंक अ कंप्यूटर कैन टेक अ डिसीजन? नो. But here it is asked, a man cannot take a decision on his own is false. क्योंकि हम अपना खुद का डिसीज़न ले सकते हैं. हमको कब खाना है, कब पीना है, कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ आना है, क्या छूना है, क्या नहीं छूना है. अगर कोई चीज़ गर्म है तो हम उसे नहीं छूते. हमें पता चलता है कि गर्म है तो वी डोंट टच इट बिकॉज वी नो इफ़ वी टच इट विल गेट बर्न्ट, आवर हैंड्स विल गेट बर्न्ट. तो हम उसको नहीं छुएंगे. सो वी कैन टेक आर डिसीजन. हियर इट इज़ गिवन वी कैन नॉट टेक आर डिसीजन ऑन हिज ओन, ऑन आर ओन इज false. So you will write here false. So children, let us revise once again. A computer does not make any mistake. A computer does not make any mistake is true. A computer does not make any mistake is true. A man gets tired after doing some work is true. A computer has feelings is false. A man cannot take decision on its own is again false. So children, this is all with question number B. Now coming to the next question, that is question number C. So children, here we have some question answers. Let us discuss and answer these question answers. Identify who performs the following task. Identify who performs the following task. Working non-stop without getting tired. So children, who are here? Who are these here? Who performs the work? Here in this chapter we are talking about two things. One is man and the other is computer. इस चैप्टर में हमने दो लोगों के बारे में पढ़ा है. यहाँ पे इस चैप्टर में हमने दो लोगों को कंपेयर किया है. तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज टू पीपल. सो हियर सम स्टेटमेंट्स आर गिवन. वी आर गोइंग टू रीड इट एंड फाइंड आउट हु हैज़ डन दिस द फॉलोइंग वर्क. तो हर स्टेटमेंट में कुछ ना कुछ काम दिया हुआ है. वी विल आइडेंटिफाई वेदर इट इज़ डन बाय द मैन और इट इज़ डन बाय द कंप्यूटर, और उस हिसाब से वी विल राइट द आंसर. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चिल्ड्रन, हम पहले क्वेश्चन को पढ़ेंगे, उसके बाद हम क्वेश्चन को समझेंगे, उसके बाद वी आर गोइंग टू टेल हु हैज़ डन दिस वर्क और विच वन डज दिस वर्क. ये कौन, किसके द्वारा किया गया, या कौन करता है इस काम को, किसके ऊपर परफॉर्म किया जाता है, वेदर इट इज. तो हु आर दीज टू, हु आर दीज हियर वी हैव टू थिंग्स. वन इज कंप्यूटर एंड द अदर इज मैन, अबाउट whom we have been talking about in the chapter. हम जिसके बारे में हम पूरे चैप्टर में पढ़ रहे थे वो दो लोग हैं. वो हैं एक कंप्यूटर और दूसरा है मैन. तो यहाँ पे हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है, यानी पहचानना है हु परफॉर्म्स द फॉलोइंग टास्क. जो भी टास्क यहाँ दिया हुआ है, जो भी वर्क यहाँ दिया गया है, वो दोनों में से कौन करना है उसे पहचान करके वी हैव टू राइट हियर इन द ब्लैंक गिवन. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चिल्ड्रन, वर्किंग नॉन स्टॉप विदाउट गेटिंग टायर्ड. Who is that who works non-stop without getting tired? Is it man or a computer? Works continuously without getting tired or working non-stop without getting tired? Yes, of course. कंप्यूटर्स चिल्ड्रन, आपको बहुत अच्छे से अभी तक समझ में आ गया होगा क्योंकि हमने चैप्टर भी पढ़ा है. देन वी हैव डन सम अबव exercises also. So we have understood it is computer which can work non-stop without getting tired. ये कोई और नहीं बल्कि कंप्यूटर है जो non-stop बिना थके इस काम को, किसी भी काम को कर सकते. So you will write here computers. So what will you write here? You will write computers. C O M P U T E R-S, computers. So it is computer who can do work non-stop without getting tired. Second one children, performing complex calculation in a second. So children, can you perform a complex का मतलब बहुत difficult, बहुत मुश्किल. तो बहुत मुश्किल सम्स को क्या आप सेकेंड्स में परफॉर्म कर सकते हो? इज़ इट पॉसिबल फॉर ए ह्यूमन बीइंग टू परफॉर्म वेरी, यहाँ कॉम्प्लेक्स दिया तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा, तो उसे हम सेकेंड्स में कर सकें? नो. तो इट इज़ डन, दिस वर्क इज़ ऑल्सो, दिस टास्क इज़ ऑल्सो डन बाय द कंप्यूटर और परफॉर्म्ड बाय कंप्यूटर. सो सेकेंड आंसर इज, आर सेकेंड आंसर इज ऑल्सो कंप्यूटर. सो यू विल राइट हियर C O M P U T E R S, computers. So this is also, so performing complex calculation in a second is done by a computer. So here also you will write computer, C O M P U T E R S, computers. So children, our next question is taking decision on its own. So children, as we have studied in the above question also and as well as in the chapter also, कि decision taking, a machine cannot take its own decision. As we know, computer is a machine and next one is human being. तो computer cannot take its own decision. It is only human being who can take its decision. So the answer will be, यहाँ पे क्या होगा आंसर? टेकिंग डिसीजन ऑन इट्स ओन, अपना खुद से डिसीजन लेना. कंप्यूटर जब तक हम उसे कुछ नहीं बोलते वो कोई काम नहीं कर सकते या कुछ भी सोच समझ नहीं सकता. सो इट इज़ कंप्यूटर. सो यू विल राइट हियर इट इज़ कंप्यूटर हु कैनॉट टेक डिसीजन. इट इज़ मैन हु कैन टेक डिसीजन. सो यू विल राइट हियर मैन. टेकिंग डिसीजन ऑन इट्स ओन इज मैन. सो यू विल राइट हियर मैन. सो थर्ड आंसर इज मैन. लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट टास्क. Storing information for longer time. So children, as we know, we cannot store any information for a longer time. This work is done by a machine and that is computer. So storing information for a longer time, जो भी हम काम कंप्यूटर के ऊपर करते हैं उसको हम बहुत दिनों तक स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं और फ्यूचर में वी कैन असेस इट और रिव्यू द वर्क और वी कैन यूज़ इट फॉर सम अदर पर्पज. So here this work is done by the computer and not the man. So answer is computer. So you will write here C O M P U T E R, computer. Storing information for longer time is computer. This task is done by the computer. Then can work without electricity. Without means bina. So who can work without electricity? Who can work without electricity? A man can work without electricity. Computer needs electricity. Computer cannot work without electricity. So the answer is computer. You will write here the answer is man. As we know, can work without electricity. Man can work without electricity. A computer cannot. अगर cannot होता तो हम computer लिखते, क्योंकि यहाँ पे can work without electricity है तो हम man लिखेंगे. So the answer is man. So children, in this today we revised self-evaluation and then we did question answer here. Then we did true false and I hope you have understood the chapter very well. You read once, go through the chapter once and read the exercises children. We will do the remaining exercises in our next video. Till then, thank you.